Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the powers of 10 and how to use exponents in order to simplify expressions with power of 10. For example, we start with 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. You can see that there are 4 tens here, and the way to simplify this expression or to evaluate this expression is to simply count the number of zeros. In this case we have 4 zeros, so the answer is 10,000, 1 and 4 zeros. And based on what we've seen so far with exponents, if the same number is repeated 4 times, we know that this is 10 to the power 4, simply because I can see 4 tens. So now I have these two guys here, and these two are equal to the same quantity, so they are both equal. So 10,000 is the same as 10 to the power 4. And I hope you can clearly see the relation between the two. The number of zeros, which is 4, is the same as the exponent. So this is the idea. Whenever we are dealing with powers of 10, the number of zeros in the standard form is the same as the exponent in the exponent form. Another example would be, what is a 1,000 in exponent form? Simply 10 to the power 3. What is a million in exponent form? Simply 10 to the power of 6, 6 zeros. Another example, what is 10 to the power of 5 in standard form, or evaluate 10 to the power of 5? Simply 1 and 5 zeros. That's it. See you in the next one.